This is how you create a personal hotspot using your iPhone. And just so we're on the same page, a personal hotspot basically means it's a private Wi-Fi network that uses your cell phone's data plan to create a Wi-Fi that people can join. Or you can just join with a different device that doesn't have access to Wi-Fi, like a laptop at a coffee shop, for example. If you get value from this video at any point, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps the channel and I really appreciate it, so thank you for doing that. The first thing we want to do to get started is open the Settings app. On the Settings app, on the very first settings page, if you're not here, press the back button in the top left over and over until you get here. You will see here a personal hotspot option. Tap on that to open it, and mine's currently off. The best practice is you have this off whenever you're not using it, because anybody who's near your phone will be able to see your personal hotspot pop up in their Wi-Fi settings. I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. They can't access your Wi-Fi or your personal hotspot unless they have the password as well, the one you see right here. But if they get that, then they can join your Wi-Fi and use up all your cell phone data. And transmitting your Wi-Fi also drains your battery. So the best practice is to allow others to join off whenever you're not using it. I'm going to turn this on because I want to show you how it works in this video. So now that it's on, it's going to be transmitting a Wi-Fi network. In my case, it's just called iPhone. And if someone has this password, they can connect to that Wi-Fi network, enter this password, and then be using my cell phone's data to access the internet. If we hop on my computer here and I click on the Wi-Fi symbol, we see the personal hotspot appear right there. If I click on that, it's automatically joined because I've joined it before. If you hadn't joined it before, it asks you to enter that password. And that password, I've never changed it. It's always been the same password. And so my computer just remembers that. And now we're accessing the internet through the data on my phone, which is pretty cool. You can use this when you travel. You can use this in coffee shops whose Wi-Fi is down. You can use this in your car so your whole family can access the internet. You just got to make sure you have enough data on your cell phone plan. And now watch this video right here, which will show you how to get more storage space on your phone. So check that out.